Hello everyone, this is Arkady from JT5. Today we are at the job site. We have some gravel road, which is loose gravel, and we just need to compact it. But before we can do that, we need to take care of the tire tracks from the cars which we're driving on it. It's still fresh gravel, so let's see what we can do with the JT5DR35 3-ton drum roller and the JT5SSTM3 gasoline mini skid steer. Here's a closer look at how the road looks before we start. All right, let's get going. With the help of JT5SSTM3 gasoline mini skid steer, we're able to loosen up the hard dirt and gravel in the tire tracks. Then we leveled it, and now we're gonna go on to try to compact it with our 3-ton drum compactor. Here's the close-up of the road after we used the gasoline-powered JT5SSTM3 mini skid steer to loosen up the hardened soil from the tire tracks. It's very handy. All right, let's start our JT5DR35. So first, we're gonna pull out the choke, turn on our power. We're gonna turn the key for 5 seconds and then pull the choke in. Choke in. Start it. Okay, let's turn on our water. Give it a little bit of gas, and off we go. Turn on the vibration. We'll show you how it's going to look after we're done. So we just did a one pass with this drum roller on the area behind me. We'll continue working on it, but for this video, this is going to be it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're going to have any questions about JT5 machinery, such as excavators, skid steers, drum compactors, wheel loaders, you name it, please visit JT5.com or give a call to one of our dealers. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe.